Yeah, there we go. Good morning, guys. What is going on? I am not in Tampa anymore. I am on a golf course. You can see here. So I'm in my grandma's house. This is exactly where I filmed the video where I made my own 100 subscriber plaque. And right now I'm going to this pond over here to go fishing, which I normally don't do on this channel. But I got the GoPro on my chest, and I'm just gonna go fishing. We're gonna go golfing today, and I've got a surprise that I'm gonna be telling you guys. So hopefully, this pond is usually good for fishing, but hopefully we get some fish, and I got a surprise. Let's switch to the GoPro, and let's do it. Oh! Guys, I literally just had a bite. Got one. I got one. Oh yes, got one. Alright guys, I got my first fish here, right in the sun right there. This is a nice little largemouth bass. I don't really do this on my channel that much, so here's a nice little fish. I caught it on the GoPro, a cool little video. Look at that, cool little bass. Got him. I got one. I got one. Got one. Bam. Got one. Right on the top. Woo. Watch out. Watch out, buddy. These things are fierce. Holy. That was good. Got one. Look at that. First cast. But look at this. This is a largemouth bass. Big bass. I just first cast over there. So I'm cool. I got it on this big camera over here. So I'm gonna throw this guy back, and let's just keep catching more. But I also have to keep out for these gators. So this is the golf course in the notorious southern Florida for gators. So right now, me laying here is not probably a good idea. So I'm probably gonna like get up so I don't get eaten by an alligator. Now they are native here to Florida. I feel like I'm on National Geographic, but there's another one just on camera, literally like 2 minutes later. Alright guys, so I think I'm done with fishing for today. So I think Grandma is making us breakfast, and then it's off to the golf course. If you guys didn't know, my two hobbies are golf, fishing. I mean my three hobbies: golf, fishing, and filmmaking. Yeah, look, people, they grow their own like fruit here. So like my grandma like picks stuff off from like their bushes and everything, and like eats them and stuff sometimes, and makes jam out of them. Max, I caught 3 fish. 4 fish actually. Hello. I caught 4 fish. 4 fish. I caught 4, and all of them are on camera. They're not on. I have to show. Last time you guys saw me, I was in fishing for like bass and everything. We're gonna go play some golf. Maybe we might go on like a hole or 2, or we might just go chipping, putting, or go to the driving range. But golf, fishing.
Here, move that one.
My friend.
Turn it off.
Oh. Okay. We made it. I am trying out for my high school golf team, so I'm actually pretty okay. But